Yours, I guess. YouTubing. Hey guys, got in my car here, and I wanted to say something. I was thinking twice about deleting my YouTube video, on my YouTube channel, I meant. And I just said forget it. And guys, I gotta tell you something. Lincoln is my only dog that is out here today. Bingo is taken away. In memory of Bingo. I'm kidding, he's not dead though. He's not dead. Not dead. He's good. He's good. Animal control had to get him for some reason. For some reason, he bit a lady. Don't bite no lady on him. On my watch, you don't bite ladies. That was my watch, so my bad. It should have been my watch. Anyway, Lincoln's been depressed. I don't get my dog until Friday. Yeah. Sucks, man. Anyway, guys, I've been chopping that right there down this whole time. I'm gonna go back to this. I'm kidding, I ain't gonna do that. That's disgusting. Anyways, really wanted to say is, well, since I have no ouch. Oh. Guys, do y'all hear how that wood sounds? Oh, never mind. Anyway, guys, I've just been, hanging out. Like I said, nothing very special. In my dad's house last weekend. This weekend, I'm just chilling out here. I made some more YouTube videos. I'm sorry for the delay. This I really am sorry for delay videos. But my dog, Lincoln, I just thought I should make a video telling y'all about this. Oh, because, guys, comment down below if you want to see me do some Black Ops 2 or Black Ops 1. And, well, guys, I'm going to do it eventually, like I said. I still don't have your equipment y'all want me to have. So please, guys, leave a comment and please leave a like rating down below. And if you don't, guys, I will be very sad and I will just, I don't know. I'll probably delete my YouTube channel if I have no likes. Yeah. When I do delete my YouTube channel, there's no second thoughts. I'll never bring it back. I delete my videos after I post them. So yeah. Guys, this is hard work. Come here, Lincoln. Video's already about to be over in a few. Come here. Here he is. Come here, boy. Look. 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 Aw. Oh, look at the camera. You alright? You take off running, he'll just follow you right behind. I was all out here one day, hanging with him. Man, I miss Bingo. Bingo, I really do miss. Bingo, I love you, man, but I do miss Bingo. As you know, this sign, Ning,